Sawadika! Hey guys! Today I'm in Bangkok, Thailand. Only $1 for this. Wow. Wow. Anywhere in Bangkok but here. Wow. This is the best food I've had. Wow. Look at that portion for. I feel like a billionaire here. Guys, today I'm at an authentic local market at the center of Bangkok. Lesser known to tourists, only known amongst Bangkok locals. Let's go in and find out how great this local market is. You can see food stalls on both sides offering authentic local Thai foods. I'm gonna have to use a Google Translator since all the menus are written in Thai language. There are various foods, snacks, and desserts to choose from. Too many, in fact, for a foreign traveler who might not know what to get. This market is quite large, and it took us a while to explore and see everything it has to offer. Wow, it's so hot in here. It's almost 40 degrees Celsius. This stall serves almost 30 different dishes, which is quite overwhelming, making it hard for me to pick just one. How about this noodle specialty stall? The tom yum noodles with pork look delicious in the picture, so I'm getting them. Communication in English is challenging here, so I had to point out the dish I wanted. The owner starts by preparing the sauce while his wife boils the noodles. Once the noodles are cooked, she adds pre-cooked toppings like ground pork and a variety of vegetables. As a final step, the owner pours prepared tom yum sauce over the noodles. Looks pretty simple and quick, right? It took only a few minutes to receive the food. It looks so delicious and yummy. These fish balls and these are minced pork. Wow, wow. This is real tom yum soup. How many times did I say wow here? Jin. Wow. This great tom yum noodle soup costs only 50 baht, which is $1.35. So cheap, right? This is the best food I've had in Bangkok. Wow.
만족하시네요.
Yeah, I'm satisfied. Oh, this definitely hits the spot, guys. It's so hot in here, so I'm sweating like hell. Look at this. Wow. Not only because it's hot in here, but because of the spiciness of this food. I had to wipe the sweat off my face while eating. Do you see how I continued enjoying the food regardless? It was that good. I'm moving on to another stall. Even cheaper. I'll have to use a Google Translator. Although I wasn't sure what the food was exactly, I'm giving it a try. English communication was impossible here too, so the vendor pinpointed what kind of food it was. Body language, perfectly fine. Again, the process is simple and quick. They chop up the pre-cooked chicken and put it on top of rice and cucumber. Baked chicken, rice, and a soup, 40 baht. Wow, $1. Only $1 for this. Wow. I don't think you can get this type of food for $1 anywhere in Bangkok but here. So you guys should definitely come here and check this out. Soup first. Oh, so it's a chicken broth. It looks like it's like almost like a Chinese food, like a Peking duck, rice. So let me get a taste. This chicken is marinated, sweet and salty. Both the soup and chicken were tasty. I enjoyed it. As you can see, there are no foreigners. Unlike other street food stalls, this local market is pretty clean. Now that I've had a meal, I'm gonna get a drink too. Hi, iced coffee. milk. Oh. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Portion. Wow. Look at that portion for 35 baht, guys. 볶음밥. 볶음밥. Guys, I feel like a billionaire here. Wow. Given the currency rate and the living costs in Bangkok, makes that dream come true. This market offers not only food but also a variety of other items like snacks, desserts, clothes, toys, cosmetics, and more. Pretty much everything you need in your daily life. It reminds me of Daiso in Korea, where you can shop for everything. You can also order these foods from your hotel using food delivery apps. This one must be good, given the long line here. There were so many foods I wanted to try, but I was too full to sample them all. Wow. I'm definitely coming back here. Outside the market, you can buy fresh fruits too. The prices range from 40 to 100 baht per kilogram, which is really cheap as well. Guys, I like this market so much. We came yesterday and we are back again. 2 days in a row. So let's try other foods here. This is the food that I wanted to eat, but I was so full yesterday. Today I'm gonna be having this food. Yeah, fried chicken with basil. Yeah, eat here, yeah. Many Thai foods are cooked in a wok like this, which makes the cooking process very quick. It usually takes less than 5 minutes to receive food at a local Thai food stalls. Guys, count with me how quickly this food is cooked. Wow, it took only 30 seconds. Super fast. Oh, so quick. 60 baht, which is a bit pricier than the other foods I tried at other stalls here, but still very cheap. I added a little fish sauce to make it even spicier. I'll show you around. When we came yesterday, Friday, it was packed, full of people, but today, Saturday and weekends, pretty empty. So it looks like this market runs only during the week, not on weekends. So if you plan to visit here, make sure to visit on weekdays, not on weekends. But some food stalls are still open, luckily. Let me take a bite. You know, Thai food has such a strong taste. Very spicy, salty, and sweet, which is why I think a lot of people worldwide enjoy Thai food. Siro, how do you like it? It's very tasty, right? As we move to another stall, let me show you how empty this place is on weekends. So we're getting yet another food, shrimp fried rice for 70 baht. As you can see, the chef uses a wok to cook the fried rice. By the way, during the cooking process, some rice grains get spread all over the place. I hope the cleaning is done thoroughly to clean up that rice. 네. How does it taste? Okay?
Yummy.
Yummy? So enjoy your meal.